Alrighty, I'm super excited that you guys made it this far because this is the bread and butter for you to build your skills and to get you to that level that we want to get you to, where you're going to be able to, if you're just want to create videos for yourself, obviously make videos that stand out and work extremely well on social media. But if you also want to work for high level influencers, celebrities, businesses, this exercise is going to allow you to unlock your creativity, unlock the skill that's deep inside you. It all starts with this exercise and the concept of this exercise. So what is this? What are we doing here? What is this frame exercise? Well, we're stealing like an artist. I was explaining before how it's extremely important if you want to learn a skill level really, really quickly or a style really, really quickly. The best thing is to steal because the artist already figured out what worked. They already went through the trial and error and spent a lot of time to develop a frame like this in this style. And all you're doing is just copying it, and it makes it way faster because you're just training your brain on what works. These frames work. And in these frames, there are a couple different variations here. I have some stuff that my team has made. I have some stuff from Ali Abdaal because I know a lot of people like Ali Abdaal. Iman Ghazi, that's another one. Vox. They're all kind of a little bit similar. But what we're going to do, we're going to just go ahead, and by we, I mean you, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and copy each frame, pixel by pixel, inch by inch. Do not slack on this. Pay attention to detail. That is extremely important. We do not want to create a frame that isn't exactly like this, because then you're training yourself to do something wrong. We want to copy to the T so our brain knows, what assets the original artist is choosing, what colors, what fonts, everything that goes in this frame needs to be copied to the T. And I'll have a video where I copy a frame to show you like the tactics I use and how I actually go about it. But this is more so to explain like what this frame exercise is. Quick tip is to start with the background. And like I said, I'll have this video that'll explain this a little bit more. Start with the background. You want to find the color, find the assets used. So I see a little newspaper asset that has opacity turned down. Find the dots. There's some dots here. Paper rips. I see a cube. And this is really just also bringing into other things that we've talked about, like where researching and resourcing is extremely important. So you need to know what to look up, where to find things, where to find high quality assets. This frame exercise is going to do that because I can't tell you where to find a high quality. I mean, I could tell you where to find it for this particular frame here, but when you're editing a new video by yourself, I can't tell you what to use. So these exercises is going to allow you to figure out where the best assets are. I'm going to give you some hints on some of the websites I use and how I research things to find great assets. But, going about this, you're going to have to look up like a cube here, 3D cube. Quick hint, this is probably on Envato. You're going to have to look up this book. You can find the exact same assets this artist used. They're out there just by simple Google searches. Find a chair, pencil, little book text here, and newspaper background. And that's it. So a lot of frames here to go through. It's going to take you a long time. I don't want to lie to you. It's going to take you a long time to do this. But on the other side, you will emerge as the top editor in your field, and nobody else is going to be able to do what you do after you go through this process here. And then after this, we're going to add the innovation portion to it. So there's a couple different styles here that you're already training yourself on, and that's it. So once you're done these frames, we'll move on to the next video. Like I said, I'll have another video showing me, I'm going to be copying this frame here, and I'll show you how I go about that and how I find the fonts, the colors, the exact colors, and everything else that goes into it. Okay, so that's it. Yep, I'll see you in the next video.